Introducing BusinessGPT AI Governance and Security for Generative AI. Using Gen AI has the risk of exposing private data, business harm caused by misuse. Developed to address the challenge of data privacy, AI risk, and governance. BusinessGPT provides a solution that offers visibility and control over AI usage and ensures data privacy. BusinessGPT offers two modules. Private AI for companies that do not want to take any risks related to data privacy. AI Firewall for companies that are comfortable with using public AI services like ChatGPT, Copilot, or Gemini but want to manage the related risks and ensure responsible usage. Let's look at some of the capabilities of Private AI. Private AI. Developed for highly regulated organizations, BusinessGPT offers an end-to-end private or on-prem AI solution ensuring zero data exposure while unlocking the full potential of generative AI. The private AI ensures your data stays secure within your own environment, eliminating the risk of unauthorized access. Our end-to-end solution connects to and syncs permissions from all of your data sources such as documents, sites, emails, SharePoint, and more, making sure you only get answers from content you have access to. BusinessGPT Private AI allows you to ask specific questions about your company's data, or use it for general tasks like code writing and language refinement. BusinessGPT Private AI offers three modules. A knowledge chatbot RAG to get direct answers to user questions from all company-connected data. Data analysis, perform complex data analysis on Excel and databases and files, generating reports and charts. Smart Search to search all your content with an advanced understanding of intent, context, synonyms, and concepts, going beyond simple keyword matching. Let's explore AI Firewall features. BusinessGPT AI Firewall is essential for organizations using public AI platforms. It allows you to audit, measure, and control your AI usage. Apply usage policies per groups and users, mitigating company risks. Identify usage and topics to measure the risks. Classify data to identify sensitivity level. Understand how AI is being utilized within your organization. BusinessGPT is your end-to-end solution for safe and effective AI deployment. Ensure data privacy with zero data exposure. Manage risk of using public AI services. Gain visibility and maintain control of your organization's generative AI use. Try BusinessGPT for free today. Get a free demo.